Does your child have a problem with organisation? Let's face it, we all know that our kids with ADHD or autism struggle with organisation, and we need to teach those steps. So here's 10 steps to help your child be more organised. Number one is to use visual schedules and routines like written lists or picture lists that help your child understand how to plan their day. So they see what's happening in what order, what comes next when they've completed this. It's so important. And I will talk about it till the cows come home because so many of you are not using them. So please, visual schedules. Number two is to break down those tasks into smaller activities and manageable steps. Be successful for your child. Allow them to feel that they've completed something. When they need organising, we need to use timers or alarms on iPads, iPhones, phones, things like that. And they really help them stay on task, on track, and to manage their time. Number four is that we need to teach them about organisational strategies. And they could be like using a planner or a calendar. So they don't have all of this stuff in their head, but they can put it down so that they know when they need to use it, it comes up and prompts them. Number five is to encourage your child to use to-do lists or checklists. So important to put it on and tick it off, but put it into steps, not the whole task all at once. And number six is to use consistent structure and routine. We all know the value of consistency. Every Wednesday, they put the bin out because the bin is emptied on a Thursday. So it really does help your child get into successful organisation. Number seven is allowing your child to use organisational tools that work the best for them. Now, I've found some children really cope with Post-it notes or whiteboards, and they have power in putting something on and crossing it out or rubbing it off. So work with your child on what is best for them. Number eight is to create designated spaces. Don't do the homework on the kitchen table with the telly blasting and the other kids screaming. Give them a homework desk where they can go to. Show them when they need to put their bag away at the end of each day or collect it in the morning. It's in the same spot. Don't be random. Have you ever lost your keys? It's the same thing. If you put them in the same place, you know where to find them. Teach your child that too. Number nine, help them to practice mindfulness, deep breathing and relaxation techniques so that they can stay focused and calm. You're reducing as much anxiety as you can. You're giving them skills to stay organised, but help them to relax as well. And the last one is to encourage independence and empower your child to take ownership, because when they are owning their organisation and their time management, they're in control and they're wanting to do it more. So let me know how you get on.